Hi, I'm Jamie from eGIVINGS Donation Solution. I'm going to show you how to find a customer within the back office control panel. Right now I'm looking at the main page. This is the first page that you see when you log into the control panel. So what I want to do to search for a customer or a customer's record, I want to click on the Find Customer tab. Next, I'm going to, in the customer last name field, I'm going to type in the customer's last name, hit search. And I've got two customers that have popped up here, and so I'm going to look at this one. So over on the far right where it says view edit, I'm going to want to click on the little icon. From here I can see that the customer's information, the first name, the last name, the address, the phone number, and the email address, and also the PIN number for that customer if they have registered. The billing address, a lot of times this is usually the same as the just regular address. Down here on the right, I've got a profile menu where I can either select notes, order history, and if they have a child listed in the child care program, if the church has a daycare or child care and they're using our software, this is where you can go to view the children's information. So I'm going to real quickly click on order history, so I can see all the orders for this particular customer that they actually have paid for childcare. So I can see the receipt number, the transaction date, the transaction time, what kind of transaction it was, and of course the amount. The little clipboard here to the right, if I click on it, it will allow me to view the receipt for the transaction. So I can view this receipt, which will allow me to either print it or I can save it and email it to the customer if they happen to call and say that they had lost their receipt and they wanted to get a copy of it. I can always just print it off and mail it to them, or I can save it and email it to them. So I'm going to close these out. The notes feature will allow you to make notes on a particular customer. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in a quick note. So I've typed in the note, and to save it just need to click on the add notes button and it will save that note down here at the bottom. So anytime I go in to view this customer, I can click on the notes feature and see any kind of notes or history on that customer. If they have called in the office and have requested a receipt, you can make a detail here in the notes feature. Any one of these fields will allow you to click on it and change it or type in it. So if they need to update a phone number, you can do that as well, or update an email address. So this is basically the oh, one last thing. If you need to, for instance, ever delete a record or a customer record, all you need to do is just click on this X, and that will delete the record and delete the notes as well. So if you make any changes or anything like that before you get out of here, you want to save profile. and you'll get a little message on there that says your data was saved. So that concludes this training on Find the Customer and look at the customer records.